Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you curry chicken pepper soup. So guys can see it in the fire. Just put it in the fire. I've already cut the chicken and spice and everything. And see I put fresh pepper, curry powder, onion and stock cube and pepper. So I will garnish it with scent leaf. So I'll leave it for fire to done. Then after it done, I'll now garnish it with scent leaf. Immediately I put the scent leaf, I'll now off the light. The curry chicken pepper soup is set. So I will cover it now and leave it to done. So guys, let's check the curry chicken pepper soup. It's time now to put the scent leaf. You don't want too much on it. Already put pepper soup spice. So let me show you guys the pepper soup spice. So this is the pepper soup spice. I've already added some inside. So wow. So it's done. Now off the light. So if you do it like this, you dish it. So let me dish it. Wow, so guys can see it. This is curry chicken pepper soup. Very simple. Use your fresh chicken to prepare it. It's very sweet, very yummy. When you prepare it like this, sit and take your bottle and you're enjoying it. When you are drink and you will be taking it, you're enjoying it a lot. And see, it's very simple, it's not hard. So just to buy your chicken, live chicken, and cut it in pieces, the chicken, and spice it. Put all the spice if you want. If you don't want to use curry, you can use any other thing, but I like curry chicken pepper soup. So this is what I prepared today. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to your loved ones. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.